everyone! Welcome to Cooking with Clara! Today we're going to make brownies! Here are the ingredients we're using today. Butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Eggs, cocoa powder and flour. Vegetable oil and salt. Baking powder and vanilla. And chocolate chips! First things first, ask Mommy to turn on the oven. Or, if you're a grown-up, you can turn it on yourself. Set the oven for 350 degrees. First thing we're going to do is we're going to melt the butter. Okay, our butter is melted. Now we're going to put the butter, oil, and the sugars into the mixer. I'm scared. Hold still. I did it! I'm doing it! Just put a whole thing. I'm good? Oh! That just splashed. When I poured the whole thing, it like blob. I hope it doesn't do that for you. One. Oh, come and look at this. On 4. It's been mixing really fast. Looks yellow. Now it's time to crack the egg. Okay, it's open. It's got on my... birthday cracker. Oh. Cracking it up. Now we're going to pour in the eggs and then the vanilla. But first, we need to turn it on to 4. It's on 4. We're going to pour in. We're going clean anyway. We're going to let that mix for 2 minutes. Make sure to scrape down the sides. Ew, look at that. This is my big brother, Brian Craig. He's going to help us out. Hi. Now we're going to pour all the dry ingredients and mix them up. Okay, you're a big one. Yeah. Hold it.
Too easy. Oh, I saw some steam coming out.
Me too. And just a little bit on your brown. And on your brown.
Man, it's getting a different color. Like, it's turning light brown.
Now it's time for this gizmo.
Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Clara, it's like you're touching the mixer.
Mixing it up. Mixing it up. First.
Oh, that's so gooey.
It looks like chocolate.
And it looks tasty.
So scrape off the sides. We're putting some chocolate chips aside for the top of the brownies.
Just a little more. Is that enough?
It's enough. Add 2/3 of the chocolate chips to the batter. Oh my, come and look at this. Come on to my chair. No. Oh, that's amazing. Now it's time to spray the pan with cooking spray. Now it's time for parchment paper. Now it's time to pour our brownie mix into the pan. And this is without dreaming of. I was dreaming of this, you know. Get helping you. Now is the most important part, putting chocolate chips on top. Wherever we want. I'm just sprinkling. Oh, some of yours dropped. Great job, everyone! Ask Mommy to put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
Here we go.
Let's see. I can't wait. It's time for Mommy to take the brownies out of the oven!
Ready, guys?
Look at the Should we touch it? This is the moment we all been waiting for. It's time to eat them! Should we taste them? I actually have to pick them up. Great. Do you like it?
Very great. Very, very great.
Oh my gosh, it's so chocolatey. Thank you for watching Cooking with Clara. See you next time. Bye. Welcome to Cooking with Clara. Well, put the eggs. Oh no.
What? There's no eggs there.
That does work. I forgot.
You are wacky.
What's
Wait
that?
for mommy. Wait for mommy.
Okay.
Because nobody wants to see me.